Welcome student once again in our 6th standard mathematics chapter number 6 integer exercise number 6.1. Question is here. Yes, write opposite of the following: increase in weight 30 km north BC and loss of this much rupees 100 meter above sea level. Student, answer is very easy. Whenever anything is increasing, opposite is decreasing. Correct. So decrease in weight, same way is at north side, north opposite is west. So 30 km north as well as 30 km south. Isn't it? So it's the answer 30 km south. Same way, here you can see the directions north, east, south. See question 326 BC, before Christ. So Eddie Dynamo. So it's a line between before Christ 326 years, and Eddie before Christ. Eddie was we are using in years. Now this 2020 is going. Yes, 2020. That is after the Jesus Christ. So it's a left side as well as you can say the right side. Both the side you can understand. AD and BC. Opposite of BC is AD domino. Last same way, loss of rupees 700. Yes, my dear student, you are very well about these things. If anything is loss, opposite of loss is profit or gain. Both the things are same. So rupees 700 gain. Same way 100 meter above sea level. Sea level means a water level of our sea, and above the things or places are coming, it's showing by the 100 meter above sea level, as well as sometimes some places are below the sea level. Some places, some cities, some mountains are below that ones or above. Question number 2. Represent the following number as integers with appropriate signs. Yes, my dear students, here an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. So above the ground, that means a plus, positive integers. As our integer definitions, negative number, positive number and 0. So 0 is a neutral. Below, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. So minus 800 meter. See, a deposit of rupees 200, when you are going in bank and keeping the money in the bank, that's called the deposit. It is in plus, you will withdraw it. Yes, that's a plus 200. Same way, withdrawal of a rupees 700. You are taking money from the bank, it's called the withdrawal. Whenever you need anything, you can take money from the bank. Whatever you deposited, yes, that is savings. Yes, correct. Question number 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Very good question, students. Here you are knowing about the number line. Last year, but it was there only whole numbers or natural numbers. Here you have to draw the number line as a integers. Integer has a negative number, positive number and 0 also. So positive number are always coming on the right side. Numbers are there. You can see plus 5. I put the mark is there. Yes. So what about the negative number B? It's on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 10 is there. It's shown in the black line. Same way third one, plus 8. If it is plus is not given, you should have to understand that's a plus. Next one, minus 1. Okay. So here is the minus 1. Okay. Look at the E. E is the minus 6. Which side it will come? Correct. It will come on the left side as a number, minus 6. Correct. You are right, my dear student. It's a minus 6. Very good. Now look at here, fourth one. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. Sometimes the number lines given in vertical way, don't worry about that one. If point D is plus 5, then which point is minus 8? Yes. So from here we have to start downside -1, -2, -3. Huh? And when you reach on 8, you can get F. Point F is the answer. Is point G is a negative integer or a positive integer? Where is G is lying, beta? Yes. Upside is a positive number, downside is a negative number. So G is a negative integer. Integer or a number, you can use the same word. C. Write integers for points B and E. Yes, count the number B from 0. It's a plus number, that's why 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4 is there. Is it? Correct. Regarding E, so you can count it. We already counted up to F, -8, then -9 and -10. Look about the D. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Least value means सबसे small. In negative number, bigger number is a smaller. So -10, that's the smallest number. Least value. Arrange all the points in descending order of the value. Anyone will tell me what's a descending order? Smaller to bigger. Sorry, beta. Descending means bigger number has to come first, and bigger number is what? Here +8. It is starting from there. D, then C, then B, then A, then H, then D, then F, and then E. Correct? Easy? So here you should also clarify yourself with ascending and descending. It's a confusion wala questions. If you write correctly, you will get full marks. Otherwise, you will lose full complete marks. 5. Following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India of a particular day of the year. Ye Siachen, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi and Srinagar. Temperature are 10 degree below 0 degree centigrade. Shimla 2 degree centigrade below 0 degree centigrade. Ahmedabad 30 degree centigrade above 0 degree centigrade. Centigrade is the unit of temperature measuring. Like that way, and we should have to give the answer for A, B, C, D also. Yes, very good questions are there. Write the temperature of these places in form of integer in the blanks column. We can write it here 10 degree below. Below means -10 degree centigrade. Below again -2 degree centigrade. Ahmedabad 30 degree centigrade. Above 0 degree centigrade means above means positive number. Yes, you can write plus sign and 30 degree centigrade. Degree don't forget. Yes, that small 0. As well Delhi 20 plus and Srinagar -5. Once again I remind you, negative bigger number is the smallest value. B. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. Like as kilogram, gram, rupees, centimeter, meter, have a different units. Here Celsius is also one unit of temperature. Yes, my dear students, the answer is here. Downside you can see the name of the places according to the temperatures. Yes, Srinagar -5, Shimla -2 degree and Siachen -10 degree. Same way Delhi 20 degree plus and Ahmedabad +30 degree. Anyone has doubt regarding this one? No. Correct. Regarding now Ahmedabad 30 degree plus, put the arrow and write the name of the city. Same way 20 degree centigrade, Delhi. Okay. Last one is Srinagar. So whenever you are writing, use the tick mark so you will not lose any single marks. And you will not forget it. Which is the coolest place? सबसे माइनस वाला बड़ा नंबर, it's the coolest place, -10 degrees Siachen. Which the name of the places where temperature are above 10 degrees centigrade? Plus. Yes, correct answer. Ahmedabad and Delhi. So this question is so easy. Next 6th one. In which of the following pairs Which number is to the right of the other on the number line? Oh, very good questions is here. They are giving us, if you draw one number line, we can understand all the answers. 0 in middle, positive number on right side, negative number on left side. Both the side you can write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left side also -1, -2, -3, -4. Yes. So both the side numbers are written same but sign are different. Correct. 2 and 9. 2 is lying here and 9 is lying that side. Who is the right side? 9 is on right side. Same way. -3 and -8. -3 is on the right of -8. 0 is on the right of -1. 10 is right of -11. 6 is right on -6. And last but not least, if 100 in left side minus and 1 is a positive integer, that means 1 is on right of -100. So tick on 1. So this question is so simple. Write all the integer between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. Yes, my dear student, increasing ascending order. 0 and -7. -7 से आपको increasing करके 0 के बीच वाले नंबर लिखने के हैं. What you will do? You will start from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. But that's your answer is wrong. They ask us increasing order. -1 to, yes, you are remembering that ascending order as a positive. But when you are thinking for negative numbers, you should have to check a bigger number first. -6, -5, -4. Like that way, -4 and 4. Here -3, -2, -1 and 0 also included. And 1, 2, 3. Both numbers are negative. Starting from the bigger number. Yes, -14, -13, -12, -11, -10, -9 are the answers of these integers. B. -30 and -23. It is also very simple, students. Start from the -29 to -24. It's in increasing order. It is an increasing order. Clear? Between given, that are not including both the numbers. इसके बीच वाले. Okay. So now look at the question number 8. A. Write 4 negative integers greater than -20. Oh, very good question. Very good. Infinite. Greater than. कुछ भी लिख सकते बेटा. 19, 18, 17, 16, 10, 5, 4, 2, 0. It's also the greater than. Ulta. Less than -10. Less than means bigger numbers. Minus bigger numbers. And infinite. Countless. You can write here how many they ask. 4 only. Write 4 numbers. -11, -12, -13, -14 are the answers. Anyone has doubt regarding this one? No. It's easy. So simple. Yes, very good. Now look at the question number 9. Your favorite question. True or false? And correct the statement. Very good question here now. Correct करना है. -8 is to the right of -10 on a number line. Yes, correct. Both number are negative. Smaller number is bigger than bigger number. And it is always right side. First is true. Tick mark. -100 is to the right of -50 on a number line. Students, this is little bit awkward. I can say -10 is on the right side of -5. 0, 0 कट करके देखो बेटा कहाँ दिखाई देता है? No, false. So you can write here it's on left side. C. Smallest negative integer is -1. Oh, very bad, very bad, very bad. Sorry, wrong answer. -1 is a greater number. Next, -26 is greater than -25. Sorry, it's a smaller. This is also false. And you can make the correct also. -26 is smaller. Greatest negative integer is 1. -100 is to the left of the -50 on number line. Correct? No need to correct the correct statement. Only false statement you have to rewrite फिर से लिखना है सुधार के, अच्छा बना के, करेक्ट करके. Okay, so here look at the question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. Which number line will we reach if we move 4 number to the right of -2? Yes, very good question is here. Number line also I will draw on. You can use pencil to draw a number line. No need to draw for each and every one. You can just count and say -2 से start किया, 4 step right side पे लेने का बेटा. So -1, 0, 1 and 2. So answer is 2. Same way, second. Which number will we reach if we move 5 number to the left of 1? 1 से 5 step left side जाने का बेटा. तो 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Correct. If we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? कौन सी साइड पे जाएंगे बेटा? लेफ्ट साइड पे. If we are at -6 on the number line, in which direction we should have moved to reach -1? Right side. Easy. Anyone has doubt regarding now this one? No. So very good. Here we end up our exercise. We will discuss more in 6.2. Till there, bye bye. Take care.